Being active is much better than being passive, or so they say. But sometimes you may want to be passive because you are lazy, tired, or just because you feel like it. In language, for example, you have to do passive sentences all the time. We could say that this is a bit like being neutral Switzerland, but with words. We could say this, but we won't because it's stupid. Estou sem imaginação para comparações melhores. Desculpa, Suíça. Passive sentences in Portuguese are simple and work the same way as in English. Leio o livro. I read the book. O livro é lido por mim. The book is read by me. As you can see, you can replace Portuguese words with English words in the same order. This requires you to conjugate the verb ser. If you can't do that already, you really should learn. To know how to use por and how to form past participles. If you don't know how to form past participles, you should watch the video linked above. In this video, there was a part in which I told you some verbs have a regular and an irregular participle, and that you should worry about the irregular participle later. Well, this is later. For example, the verb aceitar has two participles, aceitado, regular, and aceite, irregular. You use aceitado with the verb ter to form tempos compostos, like tenho aceitado os teus presentes. I have been accepting your presents. You use the irregular participle with verbs like estar, ficar, parecer, and also ser in passive sentences. Os teus presentes são aceites. Your presents are accepted. Other examples of irregular participles used in the passive. O Homem-Aranha tem salvado muitas pessoas. Spider-Man has been saving a lot of people. Muitas pessoas foram salvas pelo Homem-Aranha. Many people were saved by Spider-Man. O carteiro tem entregado as encomendas. The mailman has been delivering the parcels. As encomendas foram entregues pelo carteiro. The parcels were delivered by the mailman. Depois de o terem elegido, o presidente da Câmara enlouqueceu. After they had elected him, the mayor went mad. Quando foi eleito, o presidente da Câmara já era louco. When he was elected, the mayor was already mad. Also remember that por joins articles to form pelo, pela, pelos, pelas. O livro envenenado foi lido pelo monge. The poisoned book was read by the monk. Like I said before, my imagination is at a low point today, so I don't know how to end this video. Because of that, I will end it by filling your entire screen with one word. There you go. Please subscribe, buy the book, book a class, and tell me in the comments if you prefer these grammar videos to continue to be in English or if you want them in Portuguese with English subtitles.